had a consultation with Louise, analysed her hair texture, the curl type, the density of hair, the natural amount of moisture she has in her hair, and we are going to use the SEACURL line. We are going to use the mask where we are going to restore as much moisture as we can into the hair. Naturally, curly hair can be a little drier and coarser. Although Louise's hair texture is softer, it still, of course, has a natural coarseness due to the tightness of the curl. So when we apply the mask, we're going to leave that on for around 3 minutes before bringing her back here and styling. We're now going to use the SEACURL mask to restore the moisture, the elasticity of the hair, softness, giving it shine, and create more of those longer lasting curls. When we apply this product, we're going to take approximately our 2 to 3 fingertips, scoop around that much product onto our fingers, and then apply to the hair. Once we've applied the mask section by section, we take our wet brush or tangle teaser and we brush through the hair, making sure the product is evenly distributed throughout and that it is perfect from roots to ends, detangling the hair ready for styling.